हरि जय जय राम कृष्ण हरि हरि जय जय राम कृष्ण हरि हरि जय जय राम कृष्ण 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 हरि हरि जय जय राम कृष्ण 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 हरि जय जय राम रूप पाहता लोचनी रूप पाहता लोचनी सुख झाले वो साजनी सुख झाले वो साजनी तो हा विठ्ठल बरवा तो हा विठ्ठल बरवा तो हा विठ्ठल बरवा तो हा माधव बरवा तो हा माधव बरवा तो हा विठ्ठल बरवा तो हा विठ्ठल बरवा तो हा विठ्ठल बरवा बहुता सुकृताची जोडी बहुता सुकृताची जोडी म्हणून विठ्ठली आवडी म्हणून विठ्ठली आवडी तो हा विठ्ठल बरवा तो हा विठ्ठल बरवा सर्व सुखाचे आगर सर्व सुखाचे आगर बाप रखुमा देवीवर बाप रखुमा देवीवर तो हा विठ्ठल बरवा तो हा विठ्ठल बरवा तो हा माधव बरवा तो हा माधव बरवा तो हा विठ्ठल बरवा तो हा विठ्ठल बरवा जय जय राम कृष्ण हरि 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 जय जय राम दुर्बुद्धि ते मना दुर्बुद्धि ते मना कदा नुपजो नारायणा कदा नुपजो नारायणा दुर्बुद्धी ते मना, दुर्बुद्धी ते मना, कदा नुपजो नारायणा, कदा नुपजो नारायणा. आता मज ऐसे करी, आता मज ऐसे करी, तुझे पाय चित्ती धरी, 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 तुझे पाय चित्ती धरी. उपजला भावो, उपजला भावो, तुझे कृपे सिद्धी जावो, 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 तुझे कृपे सिद्धी जावो. आता मज ऐसे करी, आता मज ऐसे करी, तुझे पाय चित्ती धरी, तुझे पाय चित्ती धरी. तुका म्हणे आता, तुका म्हणे आता, लाभ नाही या परता, लाभ नाही या परता. तुका म्हणे आता, तुका म्हणे आता, लाभ नाही या परता, लाभ नाही या परता. आता मज ऐसे करी, आता मज ऐसे करी, तुझे पाय चित्ती धरी, तुझे पाय चित्ती धरी, तुझे पाय चित्ती धरी, तुझे पाय चित्ती धरी. विठोबा रखुमाई, 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 विठोबा रखुमाई. दुर्बुद्धी ते मना, दुर्बुद्धी ते मना, दुर्बुद्धी ते मना, दुर्बुद्धी ते मना. कदा नुपजो नारायण, कदा नुपजो नारायण. आता मज ऐसे करी, आता मज ऐसे करी. दुर्बुद्धी ते मना, दुर्बुद्धी ते मना. कदा नुपजो नारायण, कदा नुपजो नारायण. आता मज ऐसे करी, आता मज ऐसे करी. तुझे पाय तुझे पाय चित्ती धरी, तुझे पाय चित्ती धरी, आता मज ऐसे करी, आता मज ऐसे करी. विठ्ठल 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 विठ्ठल. Everybody clap. विठ्ठल. Say विठ्ठल विठ्ठल. विठ्ठल 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 विठ्ठल. बोला पुंडलिक वरदा हरि विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय. जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय. सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय. सद्गुरु स्वामी चिन्मयानंद महाराज की जय. विठ्ठल 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 विठ्ठल. दुर्बुद्धिते मना, दुर्बुद्धिते मना, कदा नुपजो नारायणा. आता मज ऐसे करी, तुझे पाय चित्ती धरी. उपजला भावो, उपजला भावो, तुझे कृपे सिद्धी जाओ. आता मज ऐसे करी, तुझे पाय चित्ती धरी. तुका म्हणे आता, तुका म्हणे आता, लाभ नाही या परता. आता मज ऐसे करी, तुझे पाय चित्ती धरी. पांडुरंगा करू प्रथम नमन, पांडुरंगा करू प्रथम नमन. दुसरे चरणा संतांजिया, दुसरे चरणा संतांजिया, दुसरे चरणा संतांजिया. त्यांच्या कृपादाने कथेचा विस्तारो, त्यांच्या कृपादाने कथेचा विस्तारो. बाबाजी सद्गुरु दास तुका, बाबाजी सद्गुरु दास तुका. संपाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं, विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः. वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं, नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तं. समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं, नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं, सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं. दुर्बुद्धिते मना, दुर्बुद्धिते मना, कदा नुपजो नारायणा. आता मज ऐसे करी, तुझे पाय चित्ती धरी. Welcome all. Today is the auspicious occasion of Kamada Ekadashi, and I thought let us have some spiritual kirtanam on the auspicious occasion of every Ekadashi. So as this is our Hindu New Year, I thought why shouldn't we take up this activity where we can give discourses or do some kirtanam bhajanam on Ekadashi. So today is the first Ekadashi of this new year, and on the auspicious occasion of that Ekadashi, I have chosen the Abhanga Durbuddhite Mana. This Abhanga has 4 lines, and this Abhanga is composed by Santa Tukaram Maharaj. And this Kirtan Parampara is actually Warkari Sampradaya Kirtan Parampara. Actually, this is not the way Kirtan setup is. Kirtan setup is so big, but due to Corona pandemic, I thought this government is not going to open up temple and they are not going to start any Kirtanam, any Saptaha. So let us, why can't we have this Kirtanam at our home? So virtually people can enjoy this kind of Kirtanam. But Kirtanam is so great, but this is the virtual version of simple Kirtanam. So today Master Omkar is accompanied with me. He is going to be there with on every Ekadashi, and we will be doing Kirtanam the way Warkari Sampradaya does. Warkari Sampradaya is a sect or is a organization from Maharashtra, and it is 700 and beyond that. 700 is where Dnyaneshwar Maharaj started this. Dnyaneshwar Maharaj is the founder of, so-called founder, because there is no founder of Hindu Dharma. But Warkari Sampradaya is founded by or established by Sant Dnyaneshwar Maharaj. And from there, from 12th century, it has started, and now also it is continuing. Because this is a Sanatana Dharma, so it will continue up to Surya, Sun and Moon, they are there. So from that organization and based on their rules, I will be doing Kirtanam. This Kirtanam is basically for people, those who don't have any idea about Warkari Sampradaya. Because Warkari Sampradaya, so many rules and regulations are there. This Kirtanam is not as per the Warkari Sampradaya rules, means up to date. Punctually, I am not following that because it needs big setup. So one Kirtankar, 1 or 2 Mridanga player will be there, singers will be there, and accompanied with so many people. So this is not going to happen here, but you will have the same flavor which a Kirtankar does in Kirtanam. Okay, so this was the some background how I started here, and Master Omkar Shinde, he will be playing Mridangam for me. So in Warkari Sampradaya generally, first Abhanga is Sundarati Dhyana, which other person sings. So we started today directly from Ram Krishna Hari Nam Japa. Then Rupa Pahata Lochani is the first Abhanga where in all India, all Maharashtra, we sing first. And then whichever Abhanga I have to speak on, I have to elaborate, that Abhanga I take up. So today I have taken up Abhanga, which is very beautiful. Briefly I will tell the meaning of that Abhanga, and then we will think upon, ponder upon that Abhanga. So Abhanga says, Durbuddhite mana kada nupajo Narayana. Never ever I should have wrong thinking, erroneous thinking. Durbuddhi, wrong, erroneous thinking, determinations. O Narayana, O Lord Vithala, O Narayana, never ever I should have wrong thinking. आता मज ऐसे करी, तुझे पाय चित्ती धरी. Now you do this, that I will always behold your feet, lotus feet in my heart. आता मज ऐसे करी, तुझे पाय चित्ती धरी. In my heart, in my subconscious mind, I would ever hold on to, cling on to your feet, O Lord. Okay, third stanza says, Upajala bhavo, tujhe krupe siddhi jao. Whatever bhava I have right now towards you, that should accomplish, attain the final goal. Okay, bhav should reach its goal. Upajala bhavo, tujhe krupe siddhi jao. Tuka म्हणे आता लाभ नाही या परता. When I have bhava for you, devotion for you, and when that devotion culminates into a knowledge, aparoksha jnanam, That time तुका मने आता. Now Tukaram is saying, Tukaram Maharaj is saying, आता now there is no bigger gain in my life. There is no bigger achievement or attainment in my life. So this is the simple, normal, brief bhava of Santa Tukaram Maharaj's Abhanga. 4 charanas, 4 lines and beautiful bhava. Now we will think upon this. In between we will sing bhajan also wherever that relevant pramanam, relevant saying of Tukaram Maharaj or Jnaneshwar Maharaj comes. So this is the brief introduction about Sampradaya, about tradition, and the way I am going to speak on Abhanga. And background of Abhanga also we have seen. Again I am telling this video is for West people, because there are many Western people, they watch my videos. There are other like Keralaites, other South Indian people, they watch this video. So those who are staunch Warkari followers, they will have some question on this, but we need not have, because right now situations are such that we have to somewhere start bhakti from house or from temple, from wherever. Okay, so let us start do Chintanam. Tukaram Maharaj is praying here in this Abhanga. Prarthana. Tukaram Maharaj is doing Prarthana in this Abhanga. When do we do Prarthana? When do we call God? When we are needy in our life, we need something, or when we have tension in our head, that time we call God. When we have money and when we are enjoying, that time we don't call God. That time we enjoy, relish in those bhoga. But when do we do Prarthana? When do we call God, pray to God? When we are having some tension, when we are in some crisis, that time we call God. So here Tukaram Maharaj is doing Prarthana, because there should be some worry. In whole on this planet, there is not a single species who doesn't have worry. All are Chintagrasta. Everybody is having worry. The one who has got positive by corona, his worry is my oxygen level should not go down. One who is safe in house, his worry is I should not get influenced by corona. Those who have corona, they feel I should get vaccination first. Those who got vaccinated, they feel I should not have any side effect of that. Everybody on this planet, each and every person, boss also will have problem, employee also will have problem. Everybody is affected, actually affected by problem. So everybody is having tension. No matter who you are, all are having tension. So how many kinds of tensions are there? Let us think. Only 3 kinds of tensions are there. How can you say? In my life only there are many problems and tensions. How will I pass my exam? How will I get job? One person is having many problems. But your all problems, they are classified in 3 different levels. This is where psychology comes. Now listen. First tension is, first chinta is, wherever I am, I want to achieve greater things in my life. This is first worry. If I am a student, then I want to get a job. So I want to go a little bit higher. So first chinta is, wherever I am, in whichever position, I want to go one step ahead. This is first chinta. Second chinta, wherever I am, in whichever situation I am, that situation should not be disturbed by anything. So I have 1 lakh rupees, so nobody should disturb that 1 lakh rupees. First chinta is, I have 1 lakh, how that 1 lakh would be converted into 2 lakh. This is chinta. Going up is one chinta. Remaining on same ground is one chinta, one kind of worry. See, whenever we have worry, that time only we pray. Okay. Second chinta is, right now my position is good. I am set up, I am well settled. I should not go down from my state. Whichever condition, situation I am, I should not go down. So these three chintas are there. You can categorize your chinta in one of the category. Like whatever position I have to go beyond or go up. Whatever position I have to remain there, and I should not come down. These three chinta we are having. All of us, we have these three chinta. Now let us think about Paramartha. In Paramartha also, we have three tensions. Like Tukaram Maharaj's life, you can see it. Tukaram Maharaj also thinking in three stages. How? First is, right now I am a normal sadhaka, and that sadhaka's worry is, when will I get God? Okay, when we are in Paramartha, our worry should be going up. Okay, now I am sadhaka, I know one chapter of Bhagavad Gita. As I move ahead, I should know 2 chapters, then 3 chapters. Like that, whole Gita one day I should know. When I am thorough with Gita, let us take up Bhagavatam, let us take up Ramayana. So always going upward, always evolving is the first chinta in Paramartha. Tukaram Maharaj says, कायमी उद्धार पावेन, कायमी उद्धार पावेन, काय कृपा करिल नारायण, ऐसे तुम्ही सांगा संत जन, करा समाधान चित्त माझे, करा समाधान चित्त माझे, काय हे खंडईल कर्म, काय हे खंडईल कर्म. Tukaram Maharaj says, कायमी उद्धार पावेन, when I will liberate myself. This is first chinta. Right now Tukaram Maharaj is not liberated. Like that, when we do spirituality, I have to think that when will I liberate myself. This is going upward chinta. Otherwise Tukaram Maharaj also says, कही ऐसी दशा येईल माझ्या अंगा, कही ऐसी दशा येईल माझ्या अंगा, चित्त पांडुरंगा झुरत से, चित्त पांडुरंगा झुरत से, कही ऐसी दशा येईल माझ्या अंगा, कही ऐसी दशा येईल माझ्या अंगा. Tukaram Maharaj says, when that kind of avastha I will attain, this is chinta, means going upward. This is first chinta in Paramartha. Now Tukaram Maharaj, whatever he says, wherever I am, that chinta should, means that is chinta, wherever I am, it should be continuing same way. Like I have 1 lakh, I should have 1 lakh continuing. I don't want to go up, but whatever situation I have right now, it should be as it is. Tukaram Maharaj says, आता दृष्टि पुढे ऐसाची तुरा है, आता दृष्टि पुढे ऐसाची तुरा है, जो मी तुझ पाहे पांडुरंगा, जो मी तुझ पाहे पांडुरंगा, आता दृष्टि पुढे ऐसाची तुरा है, आता दृष्टि पुढे ऐसाची तुरा है. Tukaram Maharaj says, now I have seen you, now you remain as it is. This is what whatever situation I am having, it should be equal. It should not go up. It should remain as it is. Ata, it should persist as it is. Tukaram Maharaj says, Ata drushti pudhe. Now you remain as it is. ऐसाची तू राहे जो मी तुझ पाहे पांडुरंगा, जो मी तुझ पाहे पांडुरंगा. Now whatever I have seen you, O Panduranga, you remain as it is. Okay. Now third chinta is, whichever condition I am, I should not fall from that condition. So what kind of this chinta? This chinta is told or explained in first charan of this abhanga. So in Kirtanam, when we say first charanam, then singer will sing that. But today in this virtual Kirtanam, I have to do everything and he has to play all abhangas. So first charanam on this abhanga, like it is saying that whichever condition I am, I should not fall from that condition. Okay, so we'll sing that. दुर्बुद्धि ते मना, दुर्बुद्धि ते मना, दुर्बुद्धि ते मना. कदानुपजो नारायणा, कदानुपजो नारायणा. आता मज ऐसे करी, आता मज ऐसे करी. So here first charan, okay, I have sung this abhanga in the beginning. So Tukaram Maharaj says, now he is praying, whatever situation I have right now, it should not fall down. I should not fall down from that situation. So how he is expressing? Durbuddhi te mana, Durbuddhi te mana. Now I have Sad Buddhi. I have come to spirituality. I had your darshanam. Now I have Sad Buddhi. That Sad Buddhi should not fall down. That is why that is his worry. He is thinking about intellect. Our thinking about food, shelter, house and water. So Buddhiman people will think about Buddhi. Materialistic people will think about material. Materials, I need these, that, objects. But Tukaram Maharaj is saying, my intellect has gathered good knowledge, right knowledge. Now it should not fall down. Durbuddhite mana kadanupajo narayana. And I should never ever have wrong thinking or erroneous thinking. This is the first prarthana Tukaram Maharaj is doing. Now let us think upon this. When do we have wrong thinking? When we go in wrong direction as far as thinking is concerned. So it is said, 3 reasons are there when you will think in erroneous way, in wrong direction. What is first? First is when you are too much hungry and when you don't get food, that time you can think in wrong way. Second is when your samskaras are in wrong direction, then you will have durbuddhi. And last is company, sangati. So you see now, when we can go in wrong direction, when we are too much hungry, when samskaras are bad, and when sangati is bad, company in with whom I am living my life, with whom I am all the time going, eating, I am spending my time. It will depend upon that too much. So Tukaram Maharaj says, Durbuddhite mana kadanupajo narayana. I should never ever have wrong thinking. So this way, first stanza is completed. When do we get wrong thinking? When too much hungry. Where it is said in Bhagavatam, it is said when I am hungry, that time too much hungry and food is not there, then I can think in wrong direction. Okay. When bad samskaras, you see father, mother and teacher, they give good samskaras to us. Nice things they inculcate on our mind. If samskaras are bad, then I will think in wrong direction. And sangati will force me, compel me to do wrong thing and to think in wrong way. It is said in Bhagavatam, Mahabharata, that Vidurji was Dhritarashtra's brother, and one day Vidurji come to see Dhritarashtra, and he said, Pandava, they are asking only 5 villages. Why don't you give 5 villages to them and you rule over other whole kingdom? You just give 5 villages to them. Then Duryodhana says, I am ready to give 5 villages. I know it is very well also. It is not wrong, it is justice only to give 5 villages to them. But when I come in the company of Duryodhana, I too feel I should not give a single village to them, a single place to them. So this is the parinama. Wrong thinking is out of sangati. So we have to very careful where we are going, with whom we are spending our time, and we have to have good samskaras in our life. Then everything is good. So we saw first line, Bhagwan Tukaram ji is praying to Lord Narayana. Somebody will say Narayana is different and Lord Vithala is different. So Tukaram Maharaj must have said Durbuddhi the mana nako upazo nako Narayana. Instead of that he would have said Vithala. Durbuddhi te mana kada nupazo Vithala. Why he said Narayana? So Narayana, Vitthal, they are not two different things. Even Krishna, Vishnu, all are Krishna, Vishnu, Govinda, all are one thing. From one Chaitanya, everybody is born. So we should not think that Narayana is different and Vithala is different. So this is the meaning of first this. Then second line it is said, when I have Sad Buddhi, then now you do that all the time. I keep your feet in my heart. If you see this abhanga is very peculiar. Mana, buddhi, chitta, all words they have come in this abhanga. Durbuddhi, so durbuddhi. Mana, mind. Ata maja aise kari tujhe paya, chitti. So chitta also have come. So chitta means what? Chintan kartru chittam. So where all knowledge is stored. Right now everything is not available here. It is stored in my heart, in my buddhi, and as required it comes out. Like that, in simple way, subconscious mind. So I should hold on to your feet in my subconscious mind. Subconscious mind means when we go to deep sleep, that time all samskaras, they are unmanifest form. Like that, your name, your swarupa should be there in my subconscious mind. Okay. It is said, Ata maja aise kari tujhe paya chitti dhari. We will sing raga for this. Ata maja aise kari, Ata maja aise kari, Ata maja aise kari, tujhe paya चित्ती धरी, तुझे पाय चित्ती धरी, आता आता मज ऐसे करी, आता मज ऐसे करी, तुझे पाय चित्ती धरी. चित्त means subconscious mind and paya means Bhagwan's Swarup, Bhagwan's real nature I should behold in my heart. So once I am thorough with knowledge, Swarupa means Bhagwan's feet means Bhagwan's real nature. Whatever we see here behind me, this is a form avatar taken by Bhagwan. This is not the real Swarupa of Bhagwan. This is just a Leela Matra. Bhagwan has taken up this body, this avatar. Because avataracha rashi toha ubha vitevani, Shankha Chakra Gada Padma Sahita Hari, Shankha Chakra Gada Padma Sahita Hari. So this Chaitanya consciousness can take many forms, and this way this Panduranga Vithala is also incarnation of Lord Krishna, Lord Vishnu also we can say. So I will behold, I will hold on to, I will enshrine your real nature in my heart. Now Tukaram Maharaj, he says in third charan that upajala bhavo. Now once I am thorough with knowledge, then I should have bhav, feelings for you. Mind means feeling, feeler. Buddhi means thinker. Tukaram Maharaj says, first I will become a best thinker. That is second line. Tujhe paya chitti dhari. I will be best thinker. So when I am best thinker, then I should be best feeler. I will have great bhava towards O Bhagwan you. That is Tukaram Maharaj says in third charan. We will sing that also. Upajala bhava. Upajala bhavo, upajala bhavo, upajala bhavo, tujhe कृपे सिद्धि जावो, तुझे कृपे सिद्धि जावो, आता मज ऐसे करे, आता मज ऐसे करी. Tukaram Maharaj says, upajala bhavo. Now that bhava, after knowledge also, bhakti can continue. That bhava is there in my heart. Now it should again, sometimes when I am interacting with this world, when I am in this world, then bhakti bhava should be there. God is everything. When I am by myself, that time knowledge should be there. So bhava again will culminate in jnanam. So first I start journey, normal sadhaka, I became jnani. Then again go for bhakti. So sometimes when I am interacting with world, vyavaharik satta, bhakti. Paramarthik satta, knowledge. Okay, so this is the journey of a sadhaka. And Tukaram Maharaj, lastly he says, now तुका म्हणे आता लाभ नाही या परता. So we will sing that also. So today this time, first time I am doing this, so it is difficult, but we'll sing. तुका म्हणे आता तुका म्हणे आता तुका म्हणे आता लाभ नाही या परता लाभ नाही या परता लाभ नाही या परता आता माझा ऐसे करी आता माझा ऐसे करी तुकाराम महाराज says तुका म्हणे आता लाभ नाही या परता. Now other than this I don't see any biggest achievement. So when I am say by myself I am reveling in knowledge. When I go in world I see bhakti. So this way the abhanga artha is completed. Durbuddhite mana, and after that in Varkari Sampradaya we do bhajan. That bhajan we will do. Vithoba rakhumaye 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 Vithoba rakhumaye. दुर्बुद्धीते मना कदा नुपजो नारायणा आता मजैसे करी तुझे पाय चित्ती धरी उपजला भावो तुझे कृपे सिद्धे जावो आता मजैसे करी तुझे पाय चित्ती धरी. So brief meaning we saw. 3 chintas are there in everybody's life. Out of that, going upward, remaining as it is, and coming down. In this abhanga I should not come down. This chinta is there. That is why I am doing prayer to Bhagavan. I should not come down. I should always behold your feet in my heart, and I should have bhakti bhava, and I should that bhakti bhava also fructify in my life. And this is the biggest gain in my life. So now only last some few part. In our Varkari tradition, whatever chintanam we do, on that they take akshepa. They will ask question and they will give the answer also. So when we ask question and give answer, that time the knowledge is more firm. This is the way. You create a question, you give the answer, and knowledge is more clear now. So question is, if I have to stop doing something, like I should not go out, this I want, then will I pray to Bhagwan that I should not go out, please bless me. I should not go out, please bless me. Will I do that, or I will take decision by my own? Tukaram Maharaj is saying I should not have wrong thinking. Why do I need to pray God that I should not have wrong thinking? By myself I can direct my intellect. This is the question on this abhanga. I will tell you again. Question is what? I can control myself. Why should I call God to control myself? Tukaram Maharaj is saying I should have good thought. Why? We can have good thought on our own. I should not call God, or I should not pray to God to control myself. This is the question. Now answer is, of course we can control ourselves, but God is putting me in different situations. God is creator of situation. So when I say, oh God, I should not have wrong thinking, means what? You don't create such situation, such atmosphere such circumstances so that I will have wrong thinking. Okay, when some situation comes, then only our thinking goes in wrong direction. So Tukaram Maharaj prays that pray that I should not have wrong thinking means, oh Lord, please don't create such situations where I will have wrong thinking. This is the artha of this question. So Tukaram Maharaj actually praying to God, oh God, don't bring circumstances in my life so that I will think wrong. You bring all nice circumstances, nice things in my life, nice people in my life, nice object, nice people, nice situations in my life, I will be happy. So here we complete our chintanam of first abhanga of this year. Abhanga means a verse. Okay, so this way my first seva and Omkar's first seva has done here. This is something new, a new project. Every Ekadashi after 15 days we will be meeting and thinking on one abhanga. I hope you will like it, but the form is different and setup is new. Actually, Kirtankar never holds a veena and does Kirtanam. He gives veena to somebody else so that he is free. But now, according to situation, according to things, we are working here. Hope you have understood the meaning of abhanga. That I never ever think in wrong direction. I should behold your feet all the time in my heart. I should have bhakti bhava, and this is the biggest labha in my life. So here we will stop. Some ending bhajan of Sampradaya. Jnaneshwara Mavuli, Jnanaraj Mavuli Tukaram, 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 Jnaneshwara Mavuli, Jnanaraj Mavuli Tukaram. हे चिदान देगा देवा तुझा विसर न व्हावा, गुण गायेन आवडे हेची माझे सर्व जोडी, न लगे मुक्ती आणि संपदा संत संग दे सदा, तुका मने गर्भवासी सुखे घालावे आम्हासी, गुण गायेन आवडे हेची माझे सर्व जोडी. जय विठ्ठल जय जय विठ्ठल, जय विठ्ठल जय जय विठ्ठल, जय विठ्ठल जय जय विठ्ठल. बोलिलेले कुरे वेडे वाकुडी उत्तरे, करा क्षमा अपराध महाराज तुम्ही सिद्ध, नाही विचारिला अधिकार म्या आकुला, करा क्षमा अपराध महाराज तुम्ही सिद्ध. तुका म्हणे ज्ञानेश्वरा, राखा पाया पैकिंकरा, करा क्षमा अपराध महाराज तुम्ही सिद्ध. ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, देव तुकाराम, ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम, तुकाराम 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 तुकाराम. पुंडलीक वरदा हरि विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानदेव तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ भगवान की जय. माऊली ज्ञानेश्वर महाराज की जय. जगद्गुरु तुकाराम महाराज की जय. सद्गुरु जोग महाराज की जय. So this was our first performance. My swara is also, my voice is not that great, but hope that God and you will like it.